As in example A, when the rollers have a natural skew, roller axes parallel to the tire axes, then no thrust exists no matter the direction of the tire over the roller. Thrust needs to be developed to push the drum uphill. Skewing the rollers, or trunnions, will do this. The tire may roll in one direction or another over a skewed roller. The first point of contact between the tire and roller changes depending on the direction the tire is traveling over the skewed roller. Example B illustrates that the right side of the tire contacts the right side of the roller first, determining that the direction of thrusting the tire off the roller will be to the right. The tire and roller have a pinch point on one side of the contact point when they are rotating. When viewing the pinch point of a skewed roller, the side of the roller that first comes in contact with the tire shall force the drum in that direction.
What are some reasons why motor number 4 may be working harder? Choose all that apply. All 7 reasons can cause motor number 4 to work harder.